Hi, it's Cameron with S&B, and today I got our 10-3004 water tank. This is a 22-gallon passenger side water tank. It's installed or positioned on this 148 Transit. This water tank has most of the tank or most of the capacity built behind the wheel well. It can also be flipped over to the other side where the bulk of the water is in front of the wheel well. But the favorite is to have it behind the wheel well. The dimensions of the tank, the height, first, right under 16. So it's a 15.75. The length of the tank, 44.5. And the width of the tank is 12.5. The tank has half-inch fittings on the bottom, 1.5 inches in the corners, 1.5 inches on the top as well. Then it has 1 half-inch fitting right here on the front corner. The tank comes with brand new straps. While they might not be positioned on the tank perfectly where they match up to the body panels, a nice pre-punch bar will make up this difference. So using these 3/8 inch bolts and nuts, you can make up the difference here. Run a simple bolt and nut right through there and you'll be set. On the bottom, we have our included plus nuts as well as an included plus nut tool. So you'll use the longer of the bolts. We'll go through our plus nut tool into the plus nut. And then after you drill your hole into the van for the plus nut, you'll put your plus nut in, get it all positioned right, make sure it's not interfering with anything that's underneath the van. We're about to show you what it looks like on kind of where the bolts are going to be positioned after you drill and mount these straps. Then then you'll install your bottom portion of your strap. While these fittings and hoses aren't included, again, this will be a 1.5 inches. In this situation where you don't have too much space to the rear of the van, you know, right here it's 4 inches. If you wanted this tank on your build, you'd want to run to probably a 90. So this would be your vent, and you can run a 90 with some, you know, RV hose, 1.25 inch RV hose coming right off the side, right here, with your vent, and just do a side fill. The filler, or sorry, the level cinder you'll want to use is a KUS 15. So the part number is SU 15. This fits perfectly onto the top spin weld. And you can see the installed height is going to be right at the bottom of the tank. So after, you know, three or four threads are in, it'll be positioned perfectly. And yeah, let us know if you have any questions. We have a whole bunch of other tanks that go around the wheel well, and then they're shorter and taller. So hopefully we can find the perfect tank for your build.